Creating a second audience in Mailchimp allows you to manage different groups of contacts separately. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to the Audience tab. Click on the Audience tab in the main dashboard. Create a new audience. In the Audience dashboard, click on the drop-down menu labeled Current Audience. Select View Audiences to see all your existing audiences. Click the Create Audience button at the top right corner. Set up your new audience. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the creation of a new audience. Click Create Audience again. Fill in the details for your new audience, including audience name, default from email address, default from name. Remind people how they signed up. Configure audience settings. Adjust other settings like contact information, email notifications, and form settings. Review the GDPR fields if you need to comply with GDPR regulations. Save and manage your audience. Click Save to create your new audience. You can now import contacts, create sign-up forms, and manage campaigns for this new audience separately from your first audience.